Good evening, and right off the top tonight, a warning. It's an insurance scam, fooling people into thinking they're buying a health insurance policy, but that's not what it is.
ABC4's Buddy Blankenfeld introduces us to a Salem woman who fell victim to this in tonight's Consumer Alert. And Buddy, what is she doing right now to try to set things right for her family?
Well, Barb, you don't want to come between a mother and her children's welfare. When Sherry Veach realized she'd been taken, she went into fix-it mode to recover her money.
I freely admit I was desperate to get my kids covered.
Sherry says it started when her family could no longer pay the high insurance premiums through her husband's work.
It more than doubled to a point where we just couldn't afford it anymore.
She started researching insurance companies and found one through this ad that seemed to offer an affordable alternative.
I just was determined to get something for my family.
The company was Consolidated Workers Association, or CWA. She says the insurance rep on the phone had an answer for all of her questions on coverage and cost. She says to the point of being pushy.
He started to give me the full court press about how, you know, if you don't sign up today, then you're going to lose this rate.
She signed up and gave Billy her personal bank information that would allow CWA to withdraw money from her account. Then her insurance package came, and the realization she really didn't have insurance coverage, but a prescription discount card.
I was angry.
She started flooding the company with emails, phone calls, and faxes demanding her money back, and in the process learned other people had also been misled and out of money. She also discovered CWA had a cease and desist order against it in Utah and in Delaware, where it's based.
It was obvious from the very beginning that it wasn't what it was represented.
Sherry had to cancel her bank accounts, but was eventually able to recover her money.
One of few people that have been able to get a refund. Because of the cease and desist order, they were able to dispute the money that came out of my account.
Now, it turns out Sherry wasn't even talking to a CWA rep. It was a guy from an enrollment company working for CWA. Now, we tried to contact that number, but it wouldn't go through. And investigators say those phone lines are usually outside the U.S. and are only up for a few days before they're shut down.
Thank you very much, Buddy. And the Utah Department of Insurance has an active investigation for possible fraud against CWA. Investigators say Sherry's information has been very helpful to this case. You can go to our website at abc4.com for ways to contact CWA if you are a victim.